everyone, I'm Christina B. Rising, and welcome to the Perspective Plan Show, where I help you boost your productivity and stay organized so that you can easily handle whatever life throws at you. I upload new videos and podcasts every single week, so be sure to subscribe so you won't miss anything. Shop for workbooks, printables, and stickers at perspectiveplans.com. And last but not least, this episode would not be possible without the support of our Perspective Plans patrons and channel members. Thank you. Now let's get into this episode. Every task has a difficult method. There is also a simpler method. This episode will teach you how to use the tools that will make your job simpler, faster, and more effective, and of course, more efficient. Instruments that will automate manual operations, spend less time on laborious, repetitive tasks, keep you concentrated, and boost your overall output. Reduce your worrying tension at work, improve your overall well-being. These are the instruments used by some of the world's most productive people. So now you can do the same. I even discovered a couple of tools that I now love and adore and use frequently while researching and, of course, coming up with this episode. I hope you discover a new useful tool as well. Let's get started. Tip 1. Copy Clip. Reuse text transfer to your clipboard by using Copy Clip. A coworker recommended the Mac software Copy Clip, which I found while researching and of course coming up with this episode. It has a free version as well, and it is super helpful. Copy Clip shows everything you copied to a clipboard and functions similarly to a history tab. You may copy and paste content that you copied earlier in the day or even a week by simply clicking the paperclip icon on your menu bar. Tip 2. Text Expander. Click once to paste pre-formatted text. Try using Text Expander if you or your group type the same messages over and over again. Store these messages as a shortcut in your Text Expander. You'll always see your templated message when you input the shortcut. Text Expander is frequently used by customer support staff to answer frequently asked questions. They may send a templated message to their consumers by just typing in a shortcut. And I'll also link a video tutorial that will be linked in our description. Tip 3. Loom, which assists you in creating instructional videos. Call off the meeting. Instead, send a Loom video. You can easily record videos by using Loom and distribute them to your team. It works well for providing your team with brief updates, develop instruction manuals, giving a colleague a concise verbal explanation of a subject or even a notion. It may even be used externally for customer solutions or marketing moves. Pro tip, looking to contrast Loom with a related product? Take a look at Scribe. Tool 4, Raycast, which allows you to quickly find and access information and apps. In essence, Raycast functions as a browser and computer search bar. To open your Raycast search bar, press Option plus space. Raycast claims on their website that it can manage Apple Music or even Spotify with a click of a single button. Look through Xcode, Notion, and Figma without using a browser. You may even check the weather and even your internet connection, or even just play the snake game. You can locate anything on your computer more easily now. Tool 5, Superhuman. Easily draft important emails faster and manage your inbox better. Superhuman is an email client similar to Yahoo and of course Gmail that we all know, that claims to double your email response time. It can assist you in resolving emails more faster, assign work right from your inbox or even emails. Never overlook a crucial message. Handle a large number of inboxes. Transmit emails without making mistakes. And below, I'll link a video that effectively explains some of the fundamentals of Superhuman and gives you a true overview of the appearance and feel of this wonderful tool. Tool 6, PandaDoc. Sign papers online with PandaDoc. Have you ever needed to sign a document without ever having to go to the trouble of printing, signing, or even scanning it? Have you ever needed someone to sign a paper, but they are unable to print it? PandaDoc comes to your aid. This program allows you to sign digitally without having to print anything. There are several online or even digital solutions available for document signatures, but I personally prefer PandaDoc since it has a lot of features in its free edition. I don't have to switch to any premium editions, which can be a bit bothersome. Pro tip, would you want to view more choices? Examine DocuSign. Tool 7, Typeform. Make and distribute surveys. With Typeform, you can quickly build a survey for your 10,000 customers or your non-technical family members. Because Typeform's survey template designs are elegant and simple for respondents to fill out, I highly suggest it above other survey solutions. Pro tip, you may also look at 2 additional survey options like SurveyMonkey and Google Forms, which are pretty convenient. And of course, Tool 8, Motion. Let AI organize your meetings, handle projects, and even create to-do lists for you. Motion claims to enable you to complete your job 2 hours earlier every single day. This is how Motion functions. Within Motion, you can add tasks and projects. Motion is informed of your preferred time for meetings. Motion generates a daily to-do list for you and your team if you like. Using AI and, of course, automation, work is ranked on this to-do list according to significance and deadlines. Motion schedules and reserves time on your calendar for all of the things you need to get done. Motion tries to arrange meetings at days and times that won't keep you from completing your job on time or even causing you to miss a few deadlines. Motion rebuilds your calendar when unforeseen tasks, last-minute appointments, or even interruptions cause you to alter your original plans. And there's even a video tutorial I'll link down below. Anyone who is in motion is the one who finds it difficult to concentrate at work. Worries about deadlines, concerns that they could forget about anything at work, the test planning, and even going to meetings. And of course, tool 9, Zapier. Link tools and applications. Zapier utilizes automation to automate tedious, repetitive operations and synchronize data between tools. Let's take the scenario where you work on a sales team. Your team adds a new entry to an Excel spreadsheet each time a new lead is received. Every new lead you discover in the spreadsheet requires a manual email template that you must send each day. You can also use Zapier to set up a Zap that will send this email automatically each time a new lead is entered into the spreadsheet. Tool 10, Cuckoo Timer. Use a Pomodoro timer that runs on your browser to focus. One way to help you stay focused while working is to employ the Pomodoro technique. It's easy. You can alternate between brief breaks and designated times to concentrate work sessions. You usually labor for about 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute rest. And I even covered the Pomodoro technique as well in a past video, and I'll leave that down below for you as well. Mentally, we can commit to accomplishing tiny activities more easily. Bigger jobs may feel too much to handle. Instead of, say, 8 hours of labor, the Pomodoro technique just needs you to commit to 25 minutes of effort. You are then rewarded with a 5-minute respite. With a free browser-based Pomodoro timer, Cuckoo Timer, you can set the duration of your concentrated work sessions and even your breaks. And of course, tool 11, Fireflies.ai. Leave your meeting transcription to AI. Do you need to record meetings or make better notes during a meeting? Fireflies AI can be incredibly useful for this. This AI-powered gadget takes notes during meetings and writes out the notes for you. You can use it to look through your meeting transcripts and even locate task assignments, questions, plus so much more. Here's a bit of expert advice. Another choice of AI-powered meeting transcripts is, of course, Otter. If you have tried bullet journaling, time blocking, or just plain old to-do lists but haven't found the right solution to manage your time, then it's time to try out the Hourly Planner Bundle. This is the ultimate planner with everything you need to manage your schedule and get things done today. Featuring 300 plus planner pages with and without sidebars, 100 plus event and holiday labels, and over 2,000 plus planner stickers in 14 unique colors. All this and more can be found in our Hourly Planner Bundle, available in 2 amazing color options at perspectiveplans.com. Paperback edition, now available at Amazon. Helping you plan for what's to come. Tool 12, Flow. Use a Pomodoro timer that you can download to help you focus. Here's another really great Pomodoro timer, and it's called Flow. However, I believe at the time of recording, Flow is just for Apple and Mac programs only, so hopefully it'll be Android in the future. When opposed to a browser-based timer, a downloading timer has a bit of benefits, such as the ability to always access it on a Mac's menu toolbar. Tool 13, FocusMate. Find a companion for virtual accountability. Find a virtual working session, FocusMate, which provides you with a virtual accountability partner. This is how it operates. You simply decide on a time to work intently. At that point, you log into a virtual meeting room. In the same session, another FocusMate will join you. You all discuss the task that you plan to complete during the meeting. Shut up and get to work, everyone. And your session concludes with a notice sound and the explanation of the job completed by you and your virtual colleague. FocusMate performed just as it advertised when I used it a bit earlier today. FocusMate can be useful if you're someone who works best at accountability or your own. And of course, tool 14, ChatGPT. Ask AI to write copy for you with ChatGPT. OpenAI created the extensive language model known as ChatGPT, if you haven't heard of it already. It creates writing that seems human by using machine learning algorithms in response to input or even prompts. It may be applied to many different tasks, including language translation, chatbots, and even automated writing. To be honest, I wrote the text above using ChatGPT. Though I don't think it's strong enough to take the true position of human authors, it's still a useful tool for people who are looking to write faster and, of course, generate important ideas. Tool 15, Quillbot. Quillbot is a content writer's paraphrase tool. It claims to help you improve your writing, and boy, does it. Professionals and students can use it to make sure their language strikes the appropriate tone. With its freemium concept, you can use 2 rewriting modes without any cost at all, or you can simply pay and use its 5 modes more easily. Additionally, you can even change the frequency of synonyms, opting to go farther or stay closer to the original material. Among the plethora of new AI tools, this one is just another, but it's one of my favorites. It may correct your grammar, rephrase your sentences, provide an overview of the key points, and of course, detect plagiarism. In the end, every feature on Quillbot is meant to assist you in becoming a better writer. But is it though? Quillbot provides 6 key functionalities. A tool for paraphrasing, which I have discussed in my explanation. A text summarizer can condense and of course streamline your material. Co-writer, which resembles a Google Doc with Grammarly. There's even a comments area and an integrated reworder, as far as I can tell. An instrument to prevent unintentional plagiarism is a plagiarism checker, presumably a word counter, an interpreter, a generator for even citations. And it looks like they're still growing this amazing tool. Share this awesome episode with someone you know who needs it to help them plan for what's to come. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I hate for you to miss the next episode. Now let's get into our recap. So let's do a recap just in case you missed a tool on our list. Tool 1, copy clip. Tool 2, text expander. Tool 3, loom. Tool 4, raycast. Tool 5, superhuman. Tool 6, pandadoc. Tool 7, typeform. Tool 8, motion. Tool 9, zapier. Tool 10, cuckoo timer. Tool 11, fireflies.ai. Tool 12, flow. Tool 13, focusmate. Tool 14, ChatGPT. And our last tool, Quillbot. You must remain focused on your journey to greatness. Les Brown. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.